Just a minute. I'm starting up the session now. Okay, I'll share you right away this one. It's starting very slowly. Just a minute. I think the network issue or this thing. Okay, so let it be. So meanwhile, we'll start with this uh the specifications of the case study, guys, everyone. So let's start with the specification, the case study. Okay, guys, everyone, the case study and the title of the case study: copy files from blob storage, copy files from blob storage, copy files from blob storage, copy files from blob storage to blob storage, copy files from blob storage to blob storage using container, guys, everyone, I'm audible? using container parameterization. Yes, guys, I'm audible. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So copy files from blob storage to blob storage using container parameterization. I'm taking the blob storage here, but if you want, you can take a ADLS Gen 2 also. It does not matter. It doesn't matter here. So both are the same. So what I'm doing is, in the last class, what we have done, you have a good amount of experience in already handling how to parameterize it. Okay. So in the last class, we have parameterized the files using the data set parameters. Am I right? Now today, what we are going to do is, today we are going to parameterize the containers itself. Okay. So how, let us see it here. So source data store, I'm giving the specifications of the day today. Specifications. So guys, source data store. Source data store is the Azure blob storage. Container. Everyone. Source data store is the Azure blob storage, and the container I'm using it. Container is nothing but, let us say, or containers. Let us say here containers, because multiple containers are we having here. Containers is nothing but input 1, input 2, sync data storage, is the Azure blob storage. Everyone following, guys, please update me. Hello?
Hello?
Yeah. Are you following?
Yeah. Are you following?
Yes.
Yeah, container. So what is the
Yeah,
containers here? Hello? Output 1. Yes, guys.
Container is a placeholder for the file.
Yes. So I think I'm clear for everyone. Okay, guys. So today what I am doing is, okay, the containers I'm using it. So now let us give it a note on this, guys. See, every container having some files here. Okay, note, I'm writing it. Okay. Every container is uploaded. Every container is uploaded with blobs. Every container is uploaded with the blobs. Guys, everyone. So every container is uploaded with the blob. Blob means files, guys. Here blobs are nothing but what? Files. Yeah, I'm audible to everyone.
Yes, sir.
So yeah. So now, guys, here we have it. See here, you have some, what's that? I have some containers here, and in this containers we have some files. We have some containers, And under this, we have some files here. Okay, let's copy it. Okay, so let's try. See, I'm taking the source storage as a blob storage, but you can also go with the Gen2 here. Doesn't matter here. Okay. So now, guys, let us see how to get the data from the containers. How to get the data from one container to the another container. So I have the data already into the input container 1, input container 2 with some files, multiple files. And I have to copy the data to the output container 1 and output container 2. Let's try to go ahead with this. So is the specification clear for everyone? Yes, guys, is the specification is clear for everyone? Yeah. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Clear na everyone?
Yes, sir.
Mm.
Yeah.
Okay, so let's go ahead now. So guys, here we have it. I'm opening the session now. So just wait here. So I'm starting up with the resource group first, as it is. As a process, you have to start the resource group. So the first step is always we have to create a resource group. So I'm using container param rg review. Click on the create. So this is ready anyways. Click on this. Okay, guys. So now open this. And now open this. And now start the source storage. The storage account, open the storage account. And now click on the create. Now you should hear a source. Sorry. Source blob param. So I'm using the name as source blob param. Okay, so as it's a blob storage, simply click on the review and as well as click on the create. That's it, nothing else. Now the source is anyways being prepared, so leave it as this. And now prepare the another one. Storage account. Click on the create. Now already the resource group is selected, so need not worry. Let it be as it is because we have the only one. So now I'm using the sync blob param. sync blob param and review it. And again, click on the create. Okay, guys, so now we have it here, everyone. So that's it now. And now next to click on this sync the storage. So guys, I'm audible now. Now the source is okay, the blob storage is ready. So now we have to do what? Click on the go to resource and deploy the containers, guys. Deploy the containers. So I'm just we have to deploy the containers, then we can move further. Okay, so now guys, I'm just deploying the containers now. So click on from the left to blade, click on the containers. And now click on the create. So now use it here, input, container create. Open. Now guys, upload it. Okay. So now guys, upload the files here. So under the input one container, so I'm uploading a file. Files are called as blobs here. So anyways, I'm uploading two files, airlines and countries in the first one. Okay. Upload it. Okay. Anyways, this is done now. Yes, guys, everyone. So now next one is go to this containers again. Now, guys, only the container input is here. I want to create one more container that is with a name called what's it? Input two. Okay. So, anyways, I forgot to give the input one. So, hence I'm taking the input two here as it is. Yeah, everyone is okay. Following, please.
Yes,
So,
sir.
open the container now. So, upload some file. So, browse it. So, okay, now let's copy some files here. Some files. So, I'm just taking the files as a employees north, employees east. Okay, then employees south, employees 10, employees 20, employees 99. Okay, employees 99 is not required anyways. 10, 20, employees south, employees north, employees east. That's it. That's it. Leave it as it is. So click on OK. Upload it. Some files, guys. So I have uploaded all these files. So now let's try to copy them. So now guys, see here, this is the resource group and this is the containers. There's a blob storage where I have two containers. First one is the input and second one is the input two. Actually, the first one should be input one, but I have forgot to give the one. So hence I'm using input and input two. That's it. And go to the sync storage. And now guys, let's do one thing here. Now I don't want to create a container here, guys. Okay. So the container should be created at the here should be run at the runtime. That means output one and output two. I don't want to create it now. I want to create it at the runtime, guys, at the runtime. So for that, I'm leaving it as it is. Go to this here. And now I'm just going to the portal dot. Everyone. Now, guys, the next one, tell me now. Now the questionnaire starts. Tell me now, how many linked services do we require it right now, guys? Everyone, how many linked service do we require it?
Two.
Yes, obviously two. So now, guys, let's go ahead here and create two link services. Just a minute. So now I'm just here. Now, guys, the next one is let's click on the data factory. Click on the create. So I'm just using the create data factory. And now I'm starting up the data factory, but data factory also should be created under the same resource group. The main resource group, what we have created or defined, that is a containers param rg, and now gives it here instance parameters param, that means parameters. Okay, or we can say instance container param, containers param. That's it. Okay. And now click on the review. See here, review, create. Click on the create, guys. That's it. So following everyone, so what we have done, we have already created the containers, and now then we have created the source storage and the sync storage, and now I am deploying the this one, that is uh, the same whatever we have it. There's a data factory. Now, guys, launch the factory. Okay, launch the factory. Now click on the expand tab. And now guys, click on the manage. And now as we know that we require two link services, I'm just creating or defining the link service. The first link service, I'm using it here, new. And now guys, after this, just use the blob storage as I want to create the first link service for the blob. And as well as the second I wanted to create for the blob only. And now guys, just change the name here. So ls underscore blob underscore source. Now guys, let's have it on this. Select the storage source blob param. Test the connections. And now click on the create. Yeah, everyone is following or not?
Yes, sir.
And now click on the create, everyone. The next link service, you have to define it. And now this link service should be defined on the blob. So hence I'm using the blob here. And now change the name here, everyone. ls underscore blob underscore sync. Because the source and the sync both are blob. Hence I'm using the blob. Now guys, select it here as it is. And now select the storage account. So I'm using sync blob param, test the connections now. And now once the connections are tested positively, so click on the create tab. That's it. And now guys, click on the author. Click on the author. And now start developing a pipeline as it is, guys. So this is the process we have it. So now I'm developing the pipeline. Or else the other way is what? We can even develop a data set here. So let's develop a data set, okay? Because we have some container parameterizations now. So obviously we'll develop a data set. Okay, so let's do one thing now. So we can also develop the data sets at the time of developing the pipeline. It is also possible. So, but now at the, because now let us create the data sets normally. And now here I want the blob storage, everyone. Okay. So just use it here. Okay. So now use it here. So whatever files you have it, you have at the source level at the files as what? You have both the files. So CSV files, so I have selected the CSV delimited file. And now guys, use ds underscore blob underscore source. And now select the link services, everyone. Now guys, here, can you see here? I wanted to select the container, but how many containers are there right now in the input? Tell me now. Everyone.
Two.
So as you have two containers, I cannot select the two containers at a time. So now I wanted to parameterize the containers itself. So anyways, leave it as it is. Click on the OK. Guys, click on the OK. Okay, now that's it. Put the control here on the containers tab. Tell me.
Is we mark first row as header or not?
Tell me.
Mark first rows are header.
Yeah, you have to mark it the first row as the header. That is essential. I might have forgot. Okay, first row as the header. Okay, that's it. Just select the first row as the header. Now click on the parameters. So I wanted to parameters only containers. So I'm using ds underscore container ds underscore container ds underscore container. Just a minute. ds underscore container underscore param. That's it. Now guys, go to connections. Put the controls in there. Add dynamic contents. And now select it container. Now guys, I have parameterized it right now. Okay. That's it, guys. That means we have okay. I've parameterized the containers. I have parameterized the container. So now here you will get it, guys. Now here you will get it input 1 and input 2 now, one after the other. Okay. Input 1 and input 2. I will get one after the other. Okay. Okay, guys, that's it now. So now that's it. So click on the new data set. Now, guys, again, you want the blob storage because the sync is also blob. Guys, everyone. So sync is also the blob. Use the blob storage and now CSV file. So, guys, you give the name here. ds underscore blob underscore sync. And now select it here. Sync storage. First was the header. Browse it. Nothing is there. So anyways, I don't want to have anything. So even I will parameterize the containers also for the sync storage. So just click or put the control here. And now then afterwards, anyways, parameters tab, use the parameters tab, everyone. And now guys, once we use the parameters tab, click on the new and use it here ds underscore. What's that? Tell me now, what's the parameter name I want to give it? ds underscore container. Okay, use the container. Guys, ds underscore container, or else let us give it differentiated because same name we have given ds underscore sync container underscore param. I'll say just to differentiate that this is the sync and that is the source. Okay, that's it, guys. Click on the container and put the control on the container. Add dynamic contents. Select it here as it is. So now, guys, because make sure both the both the parameters should not match. The name should be different for the sync and source. Okay, or there will be a contradiction again. Okay, so next, that's it. So click on the pipeline, guys, everyone. So click on the new pipeline. That's it. Click on the new pipeline, guys. And now select it here. PL underscore container underscore param. That means parameterization. That's it. Okay. That's it, guys. So now move and transform. That's it. Drag and drop. Everyone just see here. Drag and drop the copy activity. Just a minute. That's it, guys. Now see here. You got the copy activity here, guys. Everyone select the source. Everyone select the source and select the source data set. And now select the sync and select the sync data set. Can you see here, guys? Everyone just see. See here you have a value. So now what is that you have to do? Tell me now. So can you see here? We have to, it's asking for the value. It is asking for what value here. Okay. So now, guys, For that, what is it we need to do? We can give the value here directly. Okay. So let's do one thing now. So now guys, I don't want to hard code it now. I don't want to give input one, input two like that. So for that, I'm again creating a one more parameters on the pipeline level. So for that, put the control here. Everyone put the control on the pipeline canvas anywhere, put the control here and click on the new parameters. So use what is that? PL underscore container. Okay, I'll say PL underscore source container underscore param. I will create one more PL underscore sync container underscore param. That's it. Okay, guys. So two parameters are defined. Now put the control. Select the copy activity after creating the same. So put the control in the source, add dynamic contents, and now select the source container param. That's it. Okay. And now guys, click on the sync, put the control here, add dynamic contents, select. Now it is affixed with the @ pipeline. That means whatever parameter it is a pipeline parameter. Okay, guys, everyone. So everything is parameterized now. So now, guys, everyone, can you see here? So as you have it here, select the wildcard file path as you have multiple files in this. Select the wildcard file path with a star. That means all records. That's it, guys. Okay. So this is the thing we have it. Now, finally, we have to move ahead with giving the value. So now debug it. It will ask you for this. So now you can give it here input, input, and now output. I can give output, output one. So now run this. Following everyone. Hello.
Yes. Yes.
So what is it says failed. Source delimiter. So just a minute, guys. Just a minute. Go to this. Just a minute. So anyways, okay, sir. So guys, there is actually some issue here. Let's try to do this, solve this.
So given value as and out, right? So it should be some file names.
No. Container only we are, see, we have parameterized the containers. We have parameterized the containers. So I think the only, actually here we have it. We have used choose the containers now. So, okay. In the container, I have multiple files, hence I've used it. Okay. If I use the file option here, it will ask you for this. You have multiple files. See, that's the reason. So, anyways, we have to copy the multiple files, hence I've used the my wildcard. So, anyways, the mapping is not essential here. So let's do one thing because I have multiple files. Let's do one thing, guys. We'll just check this tomorrow. Okay, we'll complete this tomorrow. Okay, so today I'll stop the class here, and we will continue this tomorrow, and we'll just close it. Don't worry. Okay, you can do it now also, but okay, anyways, the time is up for me. So anyways, just give me okay. So guys, we'll wind up today, and we'll just continue and finish it off this tomorrow. Okay, thank you.